Okay, this is our last one. We're going to do the magical unicorn. We're going to build up a little bit here on the legs and a little bit here where the mouth is. So take some white fondant and just roll it like so. So it's a little bit more of a cord. It's a little wider down here. Put some water right in that area and place it right on top like so. Got one more over here. This one is actually a little shorter, so I'll just pinch a little bit off. Whoops, wrong way. Like this. You want a thinner part up here, thicker part down there. But not all the way down here, because that's where the little hoofs are going to go. And then the foot at the back, there's only one at the back. The other one is covered up. Suppose you could make it, look like two if you wanted to, but I don't want to. All right, then I'll do this part right here. For the cheek would be like right about here and come down. Cone, something like this. Okay, so they're similar shapes that what we've done before there. All right, so this one's cut out. I'm going to actually cut this part off because we don't need it. Water. Water. Okay, so for the mouth, use this tool again, and we're going to have the mouth come here, all the way up here. Another smile, make sure it's smiling. Okay, the nose, right in here. So I push it in and I kind of wiggle it back and forth just a little bit. Okay. Then we can actually take the pink and dust it. Okay, now what I can do is make the place for the eye. And for the eye, what I do is go ahead and I roll some fondant, since we need a little bit bigger eye than we've needed for the others. So a ball, and then go back and forth that tic-tac shape, make an eye that way. Like that. Now I'm going to take the pink and the periwinkle color. Okay, so first I need to roll out 2 cords. Okay, so put them together like this. I only need a small section, so go ahead and twist these together. Okay, some water. Kind of pop it on there, and I kind of flatten it just a little bit, just to fill in that big area of the cookie, and then just tear that off. Okay, so I can take these back apart. With the periwinkle now I can make the, we can do the hoofs. Look big. Ball of fondant. I just go back and forth this way a little bit and then place it on here. Let's take some water and go ahead and just coat all of them with water. Kind of pop it down like this, square it off a little bit, and then just take this tool and make the little lines like